Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get an emergency response team in a correctional facility. First, assess the situation quickly to understand the nature of the emergency. Then, locate the nearest communication device, such as an intercom or a two-way radio. Clearly state your exact location within the facility and briefly describe the type of incident. This immediate action is crucial for initiating the proper response protocol and ensuring the safety of everyone involved, allowing the team to prepare effectively. Once you have established communication, provide precise details about the situation. Mention any injuries, the number of individuals involved, and if weapons are present. Listen carefully for instructions from the control center or your supervisor. They will guide you on next steps, which might include securing an area or providing further information. Clear and concise communication saves valuable time during critical moments, ensuring the right resources are deployed. While waiting for the emergency response team to arrive, prioritize safety. If possible, maintain a safe distance from the immediate danger zone. Ensure the safety of other inmates and staff in your vicinity by directing them to a secure location. Do not attempt to intervene or resolve the situation yourself unless you are specifically instructed to do so by authorized personnel. Your primary role is to secure the area and await professional assistance. Upon the arrival of the emergency response team, cooperate fully with their instructions. Provide any additional information they request, such as a more detailed account of events or specific observations. Be prepared to complete all required incident reports accurately and promptly after the situation is resolved. Your thoroughness in reporting helps in reviewing the incident and improving future response protocols for everyone's safety and security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.